Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through how to enable the option to ask for notification permissions on Outlook when using it on your PC browser. This feature ensures that you can control whether notifications are allowed, keeping your experience tailored to your preferences. Let's get started. First, open Outlook in your browser. Simply navigate to the web address for Outlook and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look at the top of your browser window near the web address bar. Next, locate the View Site Information icon. This icon is typically represented by a small padlock or similar symbol next to the URL. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various site-specific settings. From here, select Site Settings. This will open a new tab or window showing all the adjustable permissions for the Outlook website. You'll see options related to cookies, location access, microphone permissions, and more. Now find the section labeled Notifications. It's usually listed under the Permissions category. Next to Notifications, you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. Click on it and select Ask. This setting ensures that whenever Outlook wants to send notifications, your browser will prompt you first for approval. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Ask option for notifications permissions in Outlook. This simple adjustment gives you control over how and when Outlook can send alerts, making it easier to manage your workflow without unnecessary interruptions. Thank you for tuning in. If this guide was helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from learning how to customize their notification settings in Outlook.